we need to talk. I don't know where to begin. That Sushant case, Black Lives Matter, everything was trending because we did it. We take that trend. And that locker room thing, that Dr. Priyanka Reddy rape case. If in case you don't know, on 14th September a Dalit girl get brutally raped, and a week later our government and justice died because she died, and or they killed her, we don't know, god knows. And they burned her body overnight to, god knows, to destroy the evidence of rape case. There was literally like, I don't know what's happening. We are all so fucked up. They didn't even show her body to her family. Their family's been accusing that they weren't even restricted to meet media because what if they tell the truth? Because, and it's strange, but our prime minister didn't even say a word about it till a date. He has that power. He can change currency overnight. He can declare a curfew overnight, but he can't change rape. You know that Nirbhaya case? It took 8 years to get that justice to Nirbhaya. This is how fucked up our system is. And we have to understand, if we don't talk about it, if we don't share about it, it's not going to change because we are the society. Why there is CBI inquiry for Sushant's case? Because we hyped it so much, we got it trending and everything, that government has to put a CBI inquiry for Sushant's justice. Whatever happened with him, we don't know anything, but we can actually do this too. We have that power. We can do anything. But people aren't sharing. People are afraid, or people just want to ignore the fact that this is even happening. Because why do we share? Why do we complain about it? Why do we care? Why? Because this is not happening with any of your close one. Do you have any idea? While we are talking this, there is a girl somewhere being raped. In this last week, there are few 14 rape cases being reported in that particular area. And rapists are not afraid of at all, because they know that there is no law, they can do anything. Rapists are like, I have no words. मंदिर बना के क्या कर लोगे? अगर आपके पास प्लेटफॉर्म है, then use it. If you have social platform, if you can educate as many as people that they can reach, please use it. Your Gigi Zan's baby picture can wait. Your memes can wait. These can't. If you have that privilege to educate people, spread awareness, show them their rights and stand for justice, you should do this. This country is burning, man. Girls aren't safe here. Women aren't safe here. She stay inside. She get raped. She get outside. She get raped. She breathe. She get raped. She live. She get raped. It's not about the gender. It's not about her sexuality. It's about the mentality. And I hope we can bring change. I hope in better tomorrow. To be honest, as a girl, I'm scared too. I don't know what's happening. I'm scared of putting this too. This is so fucked up, man. I have no words.